Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Right, so as you can see here, my computer is in the light mode, and if I click the Windows key on the keyboard, you will see that I have light mode. And if I even open up my file explorer, you can see that it's currently in light mode as well. So how do you put that in dark mode? Simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on settings. That's the fastest way to go in there. Then you can easily go ahead and click on personalization. Now you want to click on colors, and on the right hand side, if you click the drop down where you have a light, you will see dark. So you can click on dark and it will put your computer in dark mode. How amazing is that? And that's all there is to it. Now if I open my file explorer again, it's in dark mode. Or if I click the Windows key on the keyboard again, you can see it's in dark mode. Computer is fully in dark mode. And that's it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.